Hello and welcome again. I'm so excited to have all of you that have registered for this training that will be starting next month. And I want to assure you that by the end of this training, above all, you'll be learning great things, not just the front end, but also the back end development, and to become a full stack developer, mean stack technologist in particular. You're able to learn React, you're able to learn about MongoDB, which is a cloud, and they're able to learn about JavaScript, and then HTML, CSS, and all that things that follows it. So has been listed, as given on the platform. So I want you to be careful. I want you to put all your heart to it and be focused. Don't just see it as a normal thing. See this as a great opportunity for you to become great. At the end of this training, above all that you'll be doing, you'll be learning a lot. And this market, what I want to show you now is one of the things that you're able to do at the end of this training. This is just to inspire you, to let you know that what you are in for is for a great thing. All right. Now, this is the market I've been building. This project I've been building for some time. That we've been building for some time. That's taking a lot of our time, and we're almost done with it. And I just want to show that you're able to do something like this at the end of this training. Now, this is called Sabi Market, the people's marketplace, where people comes to buy and sell. You can list your product here. If you want to do an event, for example, you can list your product. Are you seeing it? You can list different type of products here. Whatever you are selling, whatever you are doing. As a vendor, you can register online, and then you start selling. People buy from you, and then they pay you. You can pay in dollars, you can pay in naira. So it's multi-currency. All right. We have different type of payments. So you can see you can pay with PayPal. You can use this application and abroad, in US, in UK, anywhere. You can pay with Visa. You can pay with Mastercard, dollars Mastercard, or we also have Paystack for you to pay with bank transfer, or pay with USSD code, or just whatever, pay in naira. So that's just it. Now these are the products in the market. As you can see, we have different products, and we have the events. This is one of the events. You can list many events here. All the events you list will be here. The popular ones, the popular events, the ones that are most sold, that the ones that will appear here. So it's dynamic. It's not everything that we're showing. You understand me now? You just pick few ones and then display them. Unless you search for it by yourself, and then you get it. So you can see featured products. These are the projects that were listed. And then you can see these are the companies, just the icon. Then you can subscribe to us so that you can be getting messages when new products are listed. And then all these things are working very well. Frequent hard question and the rest of them. So if you go up now, you can see hot product that are most sold in the market. They are the ones that are here. And then you can also see other products. Like I said, we just have few products to test it. That's why you're seeing small things here. Otherwise, when people started using it now, people from different countries, different places, different states, listing their product here, and then the products will be so many that you need to use the search bar, which is also dynamics. So if you can click on it, you can just start typing anything, like for example shoes. You should that it will appear. So from that search bar, you're going to search anything that you want to search for. So it will work out, and that's just it. So if you type anything that's not there, it will not show anything. So now you can go to also event, and then to see the numbers of events that all the events have been listed. This is the complete event. Now that one show you the popular events that have been sold. Then frequent asked questions. Which way ask questions, very dynamic. As you click on it, it shows you everything that is there. You can click the next one. So everything is working perfectly well, right? So that's just it. Now to use this platform, you have to register an account. Either you register as a buyer, as a user, or you register as a seller. You understand me now? So to register, you just have to go to this place and then click register, sign up now. So let me just use a name. Let me just use let me say Dan Johnny. All right. Let me use an email. Let me say news. Okay. Let me use email that will be easy for me. Password. All right. Now you can add the profile image, or later you can add it. You can add it now or add it later. All right. And the profile image must be very small. Okay. So let me add an image. You have give all the modalities how the image is going to look like. It must be very light, not too heavy. You understand? It must be very light. Because if the image is more than some particular kilobyte, it will not pull through. to fail. Okay, so let me just look for something a very light. Okay, let me use this one. Okay, that is my image. So I'll say sign up. Now it will send an email to your account telling you to activate it. So from that activation, then your account now, are you seeing now, very dynamic. So for authentication, authentication and everything is working. So please check your email. All right, so now all you have to do is go to your email, the email that you provided. So you go to it. That's to verify that you are a new user. Look at it now. To do soft, activate your account. Are you seeing it now? So once you click that link, you activate your account. So you cannot go back and log in, and then you go to login, and then you pass through. Still going, still verifying it. As soon as it's done, you marked it good, and then you are good to go. Let's just wait and see. You can see that it has all the functionality. So these things are done in front end to back end, showing you how you're going to see how things are being done. This is how a reproduction. This is reproduction. How things happens, how things are done online. As a developer, you learn all these things. There's nothing that will be hidden. Everything will be exposed. So all you have to do is put your mind to it and be ready to learn. All right. Network is slow. It's happening. As soon as it's done, all right, say your account has been created successfully. All right, so now that it's created, you can now go back there and then you log in. All right, so you can now go back there and log in. So that name we use for, you can go, okay, you need to now sign in now. Okay, use them. The email we use was news. Put in your email. All right, then you put your password. And then submit. It brings you in. Right now, as soon as it comes in, your icon will be showing at the back, which means that you are the one that is on. Okay, so all right, now if you can see at this side, look at your icon has come there close to that chat bar and then the love sign. So that is just it. So everything is working perfectly well. Now you are not in the market, so you are logged in. You cannot use the platform to buy anything you want to buy. All right, so let's test some functionality here. Now if you can see here, you can like or unlike. You can like this product, love it, or unlove it. You see, you can view more about the product and see everything about it. And then from here you add to chat. Click on add to chat. You see that you add it to the chat. Then you can read more about the product, and then you can also send a message to the seller, which is Crystal Ventures. People come here to list their product for sale. Different people, not just only one person. So you can see the name of the marketer at the top, and then you can communicate with them, and then two of you begin to communicate to get more to be aware of, to have more, ask more questions how their delivery, about their delivery method and everything, and then before you place an order, it's up to you. All right, so now let's move ahead. Now we have something we have a chart in the basket. Let's just buy something so I don't waste time. All right, you can also buy a ticket from here and so. All right, so now let's check out. To check out, you just have to click the icon, the basket, and then to show you the product that are there. You can still add, you can add the product, you can multiply it by 2 or reduce it. All right, or you can even delete the product from the market, from here, from your chart. Maybe you mistakenly add something that you don't want. You can delete. When you look at the price is too much for you, then you can delete it. All right, you can delete the product, and then you don't have to start going back again. So now let's just check out 29 for now. 29, and then it brings you here to payment pattern. Now you fill in your shipping address where you wanted to ship the thing for you to. So this person doesn't have phone number. If not, we'll pick the phone number for you dynamically. All right, so you're supposed to update your account. This person have not updated my account here. That's why it's not showing phone number. If not, as you come to pick your phone number also and put it here for you. The only thing you feel is just your zip code and other things. All right, so now let me just add a phone number like 08012345678. all right, it's okay. Then my zip code 123456. all right, then choose a country. Let me say Nigeria. All right, like so. Then my state, I'm in Delta state now, so I put Delta. Then I'm in Warri right now, put Warri. All right, so now your address, just say I'm 6 Baliki Street, will do. Just leave it like that. All right, so let's say go. Now if you come to this place, you see that it has same marked you that your shipping is okay, and then you're not in payment, which means you're not set. So now you can pay with dollar card by filling this information here, or you can pay with paper by choosing this option, or you can pay with cash delivery. When they bring the goods, you pay them just like Jumia does, or you can pay with Paystack, which is Nigerian Naira Mastercard. So let's use this first one. Let's pay with this one first, this dollar card first. So you can see the amount is showing you 31 plus shipping, added shipping charge to your shipping charge is $2. So it depends on the person. All right, so you can add any shipping, you can add anything to it. So that's the amount plus the shipping charge. So let's just put a fake card details to pay. Let's put security details, and then let's add any fake card 42424242424242. All right, then let's click pay. Now it will pay successfully, and then it will it's telling you to save your account. All right, our payment is done successfully. Now it has gone to our database. Now all I have to do now is go back to the database. The information is sent to our database. Let's go and verify it if it has really come. Let's refresh. This is our database. This is the backend that I'm talking about. When you in every organization, I have people that work on the backend, IT staffs, IT guys that are on standby to check, verify things, and then monitor what is happening. You understand me? Now we can also create a backend whereby you'll be seeing the things without even coming here. This is MongoDB, the main backend that we're using. Now we have 13, before we're having 12, now we're having 30, which means that one has come. Look at it now. This is the details. Let's go to the shipping address and confirm. Look at it. Udu, 6 Baliki Street, Udu, zip code, the data state and worry. Everything has come and landed, which means our data, the information is working. The front end and back end are communicating perfectly. So there's no wire, you can't cheat anything. Whatever you pay is what they give you. So you can't do anything, you can't manipulate the system. So we are very broken and it's authenticated. Alright, now let's pay. You can see the amount that we pay there is 31, which is dollars. Alright, so now we can go back again. And if you look at it, say processing, which means this order is now processing, it's not been delivered yet. So the order can be tracked and it's dynamic. When the order has been moved, when they are shipping it, if it has been delivered, you'll be seeing it, everything from your dashboard. Very powerful. Everything you need to learn is in this progress, in this application. That's why I say you go to do something like this. So for you to go to do something like this, there is nothing, at least it will only be few things that you cannot do. You can go to work in an organization or start maybe your own company and just like that. That's why you need to take this training very, very serious. Now let's go back again, and our chart now is cleared, it's empty. Let's go and add some things again. Let's go back to home, and then let's buy this nice shoe here. Let's just add it. Click on the icon and add it. And let's also buy from La Rose. Let's buy this oil. All right, we're in Nigeria right now, so we want to buy locally. Okay. All right, sorry. So now let's go back to, let's click on this and go and cash out. Let's check out, sorry. And then we also fill our address again, 08012345678. Then our zip code 123456. Anything you can put in your zip code. All right. So right now I'm in Delta State. I'm in Nigeria. So Nigeria. Then click Delta. Anywhere you are, you choose that place. Then worry. Then let me see. Number 2. Yabuwa close. Remember this thing, address Akusa, we can check it later to be sure that it really comes. Now look at the amount he has added plus the shipping charge to it. Are you seeing it? Which is 10%. We normally add 10% of what you buy or buying the shipping charge, 10%. Alright, so we'll now go on that one. Now that 10% we've added it to the person, so we click go to payment. Now remember, you can say, it's saying that you want to save your account details so that you cannot be filling it every time. If you say yes now, it's not worrying you again, so we don't want to save it. No thanks. So everything is working well. Now we are choosing Paystack, which is want to pay with Nigerian way. So take go, it brings you here to confirm your order. Say you are not paying with Paystack. Now see that we are the money has been converted to 72,930 from that what we saw there. Are you seeing it now? Because you are not paying in naira and the conversion rate is 850. And this is dynamic. It's trying to if the try the dollars is rating from 800 to 850 or 840 or 830, it's waving. You just put it in a particular place like 850, so be on the safer side. Then when the thing comes down again, it brings it down. You understand me now? So this is your name, this is your email and everything. You can't go to change anything here. You can't manipulate this figure and go and change it, change the amount, say okay, I want to reduce the amount. It will not work. You understand me now? So whatever you're paying, you have already seen it. So when you click pay now, you hold on, it will bring out the widget. Bring out that widget, pop out where you can put your card details. All right, now the widget has popped up. So as you can see, so what you have to do is just, this is the test run, so you can click success. You are not putting any card details here because this is just a testing, so we don't want to pay any real money. You can pay with bank. You can see with bank transfer or USSD, as you can see it, or you can use bank transfer or pay to bank direct, put the bank details and everything. That's why this method is good. And you pay in naira. You are paying in naira, not in currency is NGN, which is naira, unlike the other one. So let's just pay with this kind. Let's click sources and just click pay. You understand me now? So it's very successful, and then it will clear out all the details that is here, and then it will send the details to you. So we have received the order in our backend, and then to send a receipt to the email of the person who is buying, and then a receipt to the email of the person who is selling. So it's very, very dynamic. Now let's check our backend to see if we've got the order. Let's go to orders. Let's check the orders and see the details. And remember the detail will fill. All right. So let's go down now. It will be the last order that is there. So let's check the shipping address. As you can see, 2 Yabua close, Unwia 1, 2, 3, and the data state. So everything is working dynamically. All right. So there is nothing here. So everything we said is working. So just to click here, payment is complete, and you go back to the home page again. So you can see everything here is working. So that is just it. Now you can go to track. We also do the buy. You can track the progress of your order. When you go to click on this icon, you can also update your information. Like for example, I can put my phone number now and update it. You understand me now? Let me update you can update your profile. Let me add my phone number here. Let me just say 09157252028. Let me just add any phone number randomly. Then to update, I have to put the password for me to update it. Otherwise it will not go. Update. Alright, so it has been updated. Now you can track your order. Go here and track the order that you just placed. Alright, you can see that it's processing. See, the order is processing. You can see it, order processing. All the order, it will split them. Don't add them together. If you are like when we added two order, there are two things the other time, we splitted them to two because they all have different IDs. And if you process one, all of them are processed at the same time. It's automatic. This was the last one we did, which is only 139 something. It brings it here in dollars. All right. So let's track and see. Now I say your order is processing in shop. Now the owner has not done anything about it. Now let's say I'm the owner, and I'm the owner. For example, the person who bought for me is me. I have an account which I'm the one that lists that item, and the person bought. Now that's not my name. So let me go to my shop now. For example, this is my shop. All right, you can see that this name is different. Names here is different. So now this is the order that the person sent for me. This is my shop, and the person sent this thing to me. Use 39. This is my shop. I'm the one now as the shop owner that will now go here and then process the good for the person. Check the person, the goods person buy from my end. I'm not with the person, but when the person do anything, I see it from my shop, and then I go there and see. Okay, I log into my account, and I will now do what to do. If I send to the person, this is how you do it. First of all, you say transfer. If this in processing, which is number 1 now, so we say transfer to delivery partner. Maybe I want to send it to a person. I'll not transfer it to maybe to DHL or to anybody, to the person. So you can see that you are the one. You can sell and do anything you want, just using the platform where we connect people, buyer to seller together. So you can put shipping that is already shipped from DHL to the person, or maybe you are using by your hand, you are going by yourself, maybe you are using a car to deliver to people. If you have a car that you sell on the car, this is very good platform. You register your business, and then you can take it, deliver it to them. You understand me now? Then you say receive. Person will receive, somebody, person not around, they will receive it, or on the way, or delivered. And whenever you choose here, you can't go back to it. If I click receive now, if I go back again, if I update it now, if I say update, then let me say receive. If I take update status now, it will update the status. You understand me now? If I go back there, I cannot go back again to say it's on its way. So that means the system is checking you. Are you seeing now? You will not see those options again. You either go front, you can't go back, which means you are doing the right thing, so you can't cheat. Are you seeing now? So if I go back now, as the owner, if I go back to that place, if the other person now, which is Danny, let's go and check Danny's account. You understand me now? Let's go back to check Danny's account, and then you go to see that the order there, you cannot monitor the order by himself from his own dashboard. So you can click on this icon here, and then to take you to his dashboard, where you can now say track order. Remember that I say processing. Now let's see what he's saying. Received. Are you seeing it now? Received. You can click on this icon to see it well. Tells you your order is in your city. Our delivery man will deliver it, which means that receive it. Person that will deliver it on behalf of you, on behalf of the company, it's already in your city and you already carry it, so that receive it and come to deliver it. Now, if they have been delivering it, it will show delivered. You also activate it. Now let me go back to my dashboard again as the seller and go back to that order. After I've delivered it, I've collected the money and everything, or I know that I received the money also, I go back to that place again and I say update status to delivered. Update the status. This is the market person doing it. We are not together, we are not in the same place, but we are monitoring it, tracking it. So this is a very dynamic system that if you can know how to do this thing, there's nothing you cannot do. You can work in a financial organization or anywhere. So that's why you need to take this training very serious. Now let's go back to the buyer's account again in another city, checking his parcels if they have received it. And we are also monitoring that money that you will not credit to your account until that goods have been delivered. That's how the system is designed. So now go back to there and see. Let's track the order again. Tracking his order, which he has put. You can see that it's delivered. Are you seeing now? The order is delivered because it has been updated from the marketer, from the marketer's angle. So you see that everything is perfectly working well. You can list an event, you can do anything, and just like that, check event, check everything. So this system is working. You understand what I'm saying? Everything is working in this place. Everything is working. Everything is working. Everything is working. Let me see details, more details about this. Now you can start. Like you can see, I click. I want to start a conversation with the person that has this shop. Now I click on it, and you see that it has brought me here, so I can start chatting with the person. So I can click on the person, and I will start talking. I can say, "Hi, I want to know how you do your delivery." Just anything and you send. To enter. Now if I go to my own, if the marketer go to his own account, it will see this, you will see this message and will reply. All right, so now to finish, just click on this and you go back. Now let me go back as the marketer to my own account, and then let me see how I can reply the person now. All right, so what I have to do is just come here and go to inbox. Go to my inbox. Oh shit, there's an error. Network. There's a network problem. Let me refresh back. Let me check my data. Oh shit. Network is poor. Alright, let me refresh again. Okay, it's back. Alright. So okay. Let me go and see. Okay, now, all right. So apart from that, so that's how you check. I think we'll fix that. There's a little problem there. So we're still working on it. So for example, if you come to this, if you can go to the seller shop, click on that. If you click on the name of that, on those items there, and the seller's name like this one, this crystal here, click on it to bring you to this place. Just click on this crystal venture, it will bring you to this, to the person's shop, where you can see about all the things the person have listed, the shop person, what he's selling, and then you also see the event that the person is listed. And we also see the shop review. People are talking about the shop, the person shop, how where the person has been delivering goods and rest of it. So this product has everything that a product should, that the application should have. And then when you follow it, you see that all the things that you've learned here, if you put them into practice, there is no organization that you can be able to work for. All right, now as the shop owner, we are going to go to see our account, to see how much you have in account, and then you now place a withdrawal request, and it will answer right in your, the money will be delivered to your account from the company that you register with. All right, network is viable. Okay, now look at the pay stack receipt, for example, that we send that time has come. I using in 72,930, which was the receipt that we sent, the things that we sold the other time. The receipt has come. And then if you go to your own the seller, if you go to the seller, let's go to the seller's invoice. All right, look at it. This is the person that bought. You also receive your own receipt. You receive a receipt. Why the person that is selling for you will also receive the payment information, that somebody has paid money for something, so that they can start processing your goods, tracking it with their reference number, which is this. So you see that everything is working very well dynamically. All right, so now last thing before we go to show us about how now the seller, you can go back to his dashboard, and then you see how the money he has made. You just have 28 here, 28 dollars here. So what you have to do is you have to withdraw money. You want to withdraw now, you can withdraw and say withdraw. You don't have enough balance to withdraw. So when your balance is enough, you will now go to what, to withdraw your money, because the least you can withdraw is $50. So that is just it. So if you can withdraw, you go there, you click withdraw, and the withdrawal will be sent to the person, to the account. And then let's just see how we can maybe increase. Let's process all the orders, so I can have more money. Let's process all this order. Let me see orders that has here. There's big money here. Let's process this order. So after you process the order, before you be paid. That's how the system is designed. Let's process this order now, so that we have a lot of money. So we want to do a delivery. All right. Now let's go back to the dashboard. You see that the money will be increased. Network is bad. So let's refresh the page. We now have a lot of money to withdraw. So I want to show you how the withdrawal method is working, to show that this is a complete application. Network is very, very poor. All right, now we have money. Are you seeing now? Because we just process event. We have so many money. By the time we finish processing all these things now, we have a lot of money. Are you seeing it? All these orders, we process them now. We have so much money. As you process orders, that's why your money be credited to you. If you don't process an order, you don't see the payment. That's how it is designed. All right, let's withdraw now. Say withdraw. Click withdraw to bring you here. This is your withdrawal method, your account number. If you don't have anyone, it will show you that you should add. Once you have added, then you now be using. You can only add one withdrawal method. You understand me now? So once you add it, you're not going to see the button again to add another withdrawal method again. So that's how it is. Now let's withdraw. Let's say withdrawing 10,000. 10, 1, 2, 3. So withdraw. So now reduce that money by 10. So withdraw, it has been sent already. So money has been sent, and the receipt will be sent to your address, and also the people that are managing this managing the system will go to receive your payment, your withdrawal request, and then send the money to the account that you specified. So now if you refresh the page, now our money should be short by 10,000. Now 556 something. That's what we're supposed to see. Now look at it. Good. We have 5563 something. That's our balance. Go back to your dashboard. You see that is what you have there, and everything is working. You have 5 products listed in the market, and all the orders that are here. So this is just it. Now let's see if we have received that receipt. Okay, it's not come yet. Let's check your own. If you see you have received, okay, let's just give it time. I told you the network was bad, so just give it time. That receipt is going to come to you. Your withdrawal request. All right, now look at it. Withdrawal request. Are you seeing that? Withdrawal request has been sent. I click on shop because it's my shop. So this is my shop email. Look at it. Withdraw 10,000. Look at it here. 10,000. This is what we just do now. And you can see the time. Just withdraw this work. Just withdraw now. So it is working perfectly well. All right. So that is just all about this application. So This to show you that you need to take this training very serious. If you're able to do something like this, then you can work for any organization, or you can as well start up something on your own. So I look forward to see all of you at the start of this training, and I believe that by the end of it all, every one of you shall make us proud. All right, thank you very much for watching, and above on this, you will learn other things, and I want to encourage you to put in all your best, do all the assignments, practice everything you're told to practice, and then at the end you'll be able to say, yes, I've learned something. All right, thank you very much, and see you in class. Bye.